To some other sports news now, FIDE master Jaden and Amy Stephenson retained their national junior chess titles after coming out on top in the absolute and female categories, respectively, at the recent National Under-20 Chess Championships. More in this report.
FIDE master Jaden was unbeaten throughout the championships, only drawing against John Stephenson to end with 8.5 points after 9 rounds. Jaden Forshaw was second with 6.5 points, while Rashawn Robinson, also on 6 points, was a third on tiebreak. Woman candidate master Gabriella Watson was the best placed female, ending fourth on 6 points.
Winning is always a good experience. Just thankful to God, my coach, everyone who supported me over the years. Being in upper six, college and other things took priority this year, so I'm just thankful with the preparation I was able to do. I was able to overcome all obstacles in my section.
Meanwhile, Amy Stephenson defended her title, besting woman candidate master Kaya Gale in the female section. Stephenson won with 7.5 points, followed by Gale on 6.5 points. Kaya's sister Kaiti Gale, also on 6.5 points, was the third on tiebreak.
I feel good that I won this tournament. It was a great tournament, stiff competition with every round. Feels even better to know that I defended my title and that I've won this tournament 3 years in a row. And this is my last year on the 20, so it's good to have won it in my last year. Couldn't have done it without God. I put him first and my coach too, prepping me and helping me through the whole tournament.
Warren Elliott is the tournament director.
The National Junior Chess Championship that just completed was quite an exciting event. I mean, you had many top junior players playing, and of course, the chess being the fastest growing sport in Jamaica, I mean, it's extremely important that a lot of sponsors come on board and so on to push the sport.
40 competitors took part in the championships, 24 in the absolute category and 16 in the girls section. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.